Hey guys, in this video we'll be working on adding a color switcher and also adding another object to the game. So first we're going to make a new sprite, the color switcher. Okay, so go into the script and change it to +300. And you can remove this script. And change it to -200 and add an if y scroller bigger than -400, then show. Actually, put it in an if else, because that works better. If -400 bigger than y scroller, then hide. Okay, so I'm just gonna duplicate it and change it to the circle that I made before, and add if y scroller is smaller than -400, and set y scroller to +600. I'm just gonna adjust the settings so that it fits well. Alright, so now add an if and y scroller smaller than -400, then hide, and change it to pointing direction 45 degrees. Alright, add an if touching object 1. By the way, this is in the circle. And duplicate it and put a touching color change, and add switch costume and go into operators and put pick random 1 to 4. And then put an or touching object 2. Now drag out the if for a minute and add a wait 1 second, and duplicate it 4 times, and code it for each color, each costume. So basically all the other colors apart from that one. Alright, now we're just going to remove the if touching because we don't need that 4 times. Alright, now you can add it back in and add a broadcast collide. So now go back to the color changer and put a when I receive collide. Stop other scripts and sprites, hide, and that's all. Right, if you want to make a more complicated game, all you have to do is add more objects to make a more complete level, but this is basically the basics of the game. So thank you so much for watching, and also this channel has reached 300 subscribers, which is incredible. We actually increased 100 subscribers in a month. So, see you later.